Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson with an important message. On Monday, he celebrated the exclusive German premiere of his new film, The Smashing Machine, in Berlin. Johnson himself says about the film,
Yeah, because really it's not a movie about mixed martial arts, if you think about it. It's a movie about a man who strives to be great at what he does, and then a man who fails, and he loses. I'm sorry, it's not a spoiler, but he loses everything. And life goes on, and it's okay. And that's the thing I think that people in Germany can relate to, because people all around the world can.
The sports drama tells the story of MMA fighter Mark Kerr, played by Dwayne Johnson himself. Emily Blunt plays his then-partner Dawn Staples alongside him. The film will be released in German cinemas on October the 2nd.